Okay.
Okay, I
This-
got 20 invitations here.
But let's check out the invitations.
There.
Check it out. Let's see.
100 in the box.
Yeah, let's open up one invitation. Hold on. Let's hold it.
Okay.
Hold on. Wow.
I'll open
Is
up.
this really for real? Is this really for real?
1 month to go and we're getting married, so we have to send out the invitations, Mom.
What
Just
are
a
they?
reminder.
Okay, ilagay natin dito.
Can you see this is the outlay?
Yeah, there you go.
Here.
Isa-isayin natin, ha?
Finish?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
And the other one, the Moya shoe.
Ang galing.
We have 17 pairs of
That's a
principal
lot of...
sponsors, and that's a lot.
That's a good thing. That means we're gonna have a lot of advisors.
Yeah. There.
Yep.
Finish? Okay. There you go. And keep it down.
I like our house.
I like our house. Isn't that neat? Spick and span.
Ang mahal.
Sige.
Naling.
Yeah.
Ano yung ginawa natin ngayon?
Fax number. Ano ba fax number ni Eden?
Bigyan mo yung number.
Wala ko.
We are at the bridal's registry here at Rostans. Just finished. It was a whole day's labor. It's fun.
I'm so tired. I wish we can get all the things that we have shopped for.
Yeah, all of it.
Even the expensive ones.
Especially the expensive ones. Okay, this is Leilani on the day where she is going to have her makeup test. Right there. Wow. Look. Right back. This is before.
And then who next will be after?
That's before. Right there. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Kailangan mapaganda ko kasama kasi siya, di ba?
Gets good.
Lalagay ko ito sa newsletter. Mahal.
Kaya lang, wala ko siyang ano eh. White pa yung lips niya, okay lang.
Wag muna.
Babe, love.
Isa ko lang siya sa niya. Ay, smile lang. No, you look at
Square na ba? Yung square. Weird.
Smell like a lady. Tiara, tiara.
Ako biro ko ano. Kaya yung bed niya, may hairdo pa rin siya, style. Visible din.
Thanks.
Nani, mas bagay sa'yo nakasmile. So, may isa din.
Mas malinis ka. Kasi pag naman ang gano'n, kailangan makapapawis ka ng bibig mo. Tubig sa lipstick mo, makaroon ng bibig mo yun dyan, di ba? Ha?
Una nyo na nakasmile to. Muna na sila. Alis na.
Alisin yung roll. Alisin yung roll. Alisin mo kaya. Alisin mo yung mabangon ng bibig sa hapon. Para pagdating na, ready na sa
Kasi
rin
nag-smile eh. Mas bagay sa'yo nakasmile, Rani. Kanina ka ba naka-ano eh, formal? Di ba, Rick, no?
Basic. Inaan mo ito eh. Inaan mo siyempre yung yan. Importante sa brain na use na siya. Kasi ang tao nasa iyo eh. Diba? Kaya gano'n kaganda yung keso sa ibang tingin, diba?
Yung ano, smile ah. Oh,
Yeah, yung tunay na smile.
Dito ko rin.
ah, dito, dito, dito dyan.
Yung tunay na smile. Tsaka lang, dali.
Tunay na smile. Hindi naman ang formal eh. Wala ka lahat. Isa naman. Teka lang.
Expired na natural.
Ayun na tira. Ayan.
Hindi ako pumunta, mama.
Ay, sige.
Ha?
Sige. Upo ka dyan. Upo ka dyan. Ano mo kay Arian after this?
Maganda yung may yellow light, Mal.
Ay, hindi. Ganda ba yung video?
Maganda yung may yellow light.
Tapos ko na kay Arian, ha?
Yeah.
12 ito eh.
Diba?
Fine na. Ano yun ba kung kayong dalawa? Ilang ba ito?
Okay na po, Ami.
Well, bilis! Mahal! Kung kayong
Saan?
dalawa.
Sige.
Sige. Pwede na?
Ito na.
Wait ah. 1, 2, ready again. Isa pa. Sa inyo na doon. Ay, no. Ang tawag si Ariel kasi maganda lang kami yellow light.
Ano, Mahal?
So kayong dalawa, isa pa.
Okay na?
Dalawa. Thank you, ah. 20. Mahal.
I love.
Oo, yung makeup.
I like it. You like it?
Yeah.
No. Bakit ka? Ba't ka na bakit? Guess what? Ano, Mahal?
Hindi ako sa makeup.
Hindi, ngiting natural.
I wanna see you kanina.
Ah, sige.
Ready? We're leaving. Can I see? Iba yung mukha ko eh. Ayoko pamatanda.
Mga matanda ba?
Hindi naman, tinan ko nga yan, sobra naman to. Iba kasi yung sa screen.
Nag-oily yun sa screen. No? I wanna see. Nag-oily.
Adam and Eve what is good and bad? Back then, yes, they do not know. Because everything God created was good. Therefore, it's natural for men to think only of good things. But when they made the decision to eat of the fruit, ang nangyari,